Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today I'm going to be telling you guys if you can use WhatsApp without a number or not. Well, long answer short, you cannot. You need a phone number to have a WhatsApp account. Unlike Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, WhatsApp heavily relies on having a phone number. But there is a way you can have a WhatsApp account without having a SIM in your phone. But you do need a number. So if your mom or dad has an extra phone number which they don't use and it's just lying around, I would suggest, and it's basically their second phone and they don't use WhatsApp on that. So I would say use that number, right? While signing up for WhatsApp, use that number, sign up, and that number is gonna receive an SMS. Put in that SMS is gonna be this code for WhatsApp. Put in that code on your phone, and once that's done, you have WhatsApp. You have a WhatsApp account. Change the name, put your own profile picture, make the WhatsApp your own. You don't have a number, but still you can have a WhatsApp account, in short. So I hope this was in any way helpful to you. If it was, please drop a like, and if you want to see more tutorials like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.